Hey there, and welcome. In this explainer, we're going to crack the code on a huge part of English, asking questions with the verb to be. You're about to learn a super simple but really powerful formula that works in almost any conversation. Let's dive right in. Okay, so let's start with something you totally already know. Take a simple statement like, they are happy. Easy, right? You know what it means. But how do you ask if it's true or maybe why they're happy? Well, that's exactly what we're about to break down, step by step. All right, first things first. To ask a really good question, you've got to understand the simple statement that it comes from. That's the foundation for everything we're about to do. So let's use this sentence as our home base. You are a student. It's clear, it's simple, it's a fact. Now, the two key players here are the subject, you, and the be verb, are. Keep those two in your mind. Okay, now for the really cool part. It's a super simple trick that turns that statement into a question you can answer with yes or no. And it's all about a little switcheroo. And you know what's wild? It's literally just two steps. It's that easy. First, you just spot the subject and the verb. In our case, that's you and are. Then, step two, you just swap them. Flip their positions. That's it. And boom, just like that, you have a question. You are a student becomes are you a student? Just by flipping those two words around, we went from stating a fact to asking a question. And now the answer is simple. Yes, I am, or no, I'm not. Okay, let's run through a few more examples just so this really sticks. I am flips to become am I. They are becomes are they. It is turns into is it. You see the pattern, right? The subject and the be verb always do this little dance and switch places. It's the same move every single time. Awesome! So yes-no questions. We've got those down. But what if you need more info? What if yes or no just isn't enough? Well, that's where our new best friends come in, the WH words. Think of these as your information-seeking power tools. Each one has a very specific job. Who is for a person, where is for a place, when is all about time, why gets your reason, and how that's for feelings or the way something is. These are the keys to getting real, detailed answers. All right, so we've got our WH words, and we've got our little subject-verb swap trick. You know what's next, right? We're going to put them all together and create the ultimate question-asking formula. And here it is. Seriously, this is the golden formula right here. You just start with your word, follow it with the be verb, and then finish with the subject. It's like a simple three-part recipe for a perfect question. So let's see this formula in action, because that's where it really makes sense. We start with the statement, you are from England. We want to know the location, so we grab our WH word, where, and put it at the very beginning. Then we do our swap with you and are. And what do we get? Where are you from? So simple, so powerful. All right, theory is great, but practice is where it all really clicks into place. So let's do a little quick fire round. I'll give you a statement and a what word, and you try to build the question. Ready? Okay, first step. The statement is, they are happy. And the word we're going to use is why. I'll give you a second to think. How do you turn that into a question asking for a reason? Did you get it? The answer is, why are they happy? You just pop why right at the front, do that classic swap with they and are, and you're done. Perfect. Next one. The statement is, the party is tomorrow. How would you ask about the time using the word when? Go on, try it out in your head. And the answer is, when is the party? You lead with when. Then you swap the party, which is our subject, and is our verb. See? Same formula, different words. You're getting the hang of this. Okay, last one for the road. The statement is, he is in the classroom. Use the word where to ask about his location. You know the drill by now. And the final answer is, where is he? Again, where comes first, followed by the swapped is and he. Fantastic work. You've just used the entire formula we've covered from start to finish. And that's really it. It all boils down to that simple swap for yes-no questions, and then just adding one little what word to get all the details. You now have the keys to unlock countless conversations. So really, the only thing left to ask is, what question are you going to ask first?